Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to onedrive.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft account using your credentials. This will give you access to your OneDrive dashboard where all your files and folders are stored. After signing in, wait a moment for the login process to complete. You'll be automatically redirected to your main OneDrive dashboard where you can see all your stored files and folders. This is the central hub where you manage all your cloud storage. Now, to enable dark mode in OneDrive, direct your attention to the top part of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon located there. This is your OneDrive settings button, and it's where you can customize various aspects of your OneDrive experience. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. Once you click it, a context menu will appear with several options. Look for the option labeled Themes. You'll see a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this Themes drop-down to reveal the available theme options for your OneDrive interface. When the menu expands, you'll see 3 different theme options to choose from. The first option allows OneDrive to follow your system theme, meaning it will automatically match whatever theme your computer or browser is using. The second option is light mode, which keeps everything bright and white. The third option is dark mode, which transforms your OneDrive interface into a darker, easier on the eyes appearance. To enable dark mode, simply click on the dark option from this list. As soon as you select it, your OneDrive window will instantly transform into dark mode. You'll notice the entire interface switches to darker colors with white text and elements standing out against the dark background. This not only looks more modern but also reduces eye strain, especially when you're working in low-light environments or late at night. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in OneDrive, making your file browsing experience more comfortable and visually appealing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.